Welcome, listeners. Today we're exploring the incredible world of okra, a vegetable that's so much more than meets the eye. Get ready to discover the full benefits, nutrition, and minerals packed into this green powerhouse. Did you know that a single cup of okra contains only 33 calories? That's right. But don't let that fool you. Despite its low calorie content, okra is bursting with nutrients that can transform your health. Let's start with the basics. Okra is an excellent source of fiber, providing about 3 grams per cup. But here's what's truly fascinating: okra contains both soluble and insoluble fiber. This unique combination can help maintain a healthy digestive system and even assist in lowering cholesterol levels. Now, let's dive into the vitamin content. Okra is rich in vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that supports your immune system and promotes skin health. A single cup of okra provides nearly 40% of your daily vitamin C needs. But that's not all. Okra is also packed with vitamin K. This often overlooked vitamin is crucial for blood clotting and maintaining strong bones. In fact, 1 cup of okra provides a whopping 66% of your daily vitamin K requirement. Here's something that might surprise you: okra is a good source of protein for a vegetable. While it's not comparable to meat or beans, a cup of okra contains about 2 grams of protein. This makes it an excellent addition to vegetarian and vegan diets. Now, let's talk about minerals. Okra is a mineral powerhouse, containing significant amounts of magnesium, potassium, and calcium. But the real star of the show is manganese. A cup of okra provides an impressive 57% of your daily manganese needs. This mineral is crucial for bone formation, wound healing, and metabolism. Okra also contains smaller amounts of iron, zinc, and phosphorus. While these quantities might seem modest, they contribute to your overall mineral intake, helping to maintain a balanced diet. But wait, there's more. Okra is rich in antioxidants, particularly polyphenol. These compounds fight harmful free radicals in your body, potentially reducing the risk of chronic diseases and slowing down the aging process. How exciting is that? Here's another surprise: okra seeds are edible and incredibly nutritious. They're rich in unsaturated fats, protein, and fiber. Some studies suggest that okra seed protein could have anti-fatigue and anti-stress effects. Imagine getting an energy boost from okra. Let's talk about a unique compound found in okra: mucilage. This slimy substance might not sound appetizing, but it's a secret weapon for your health. Mucilage has been shown to help stabilize blood sugar levels, making okra a potential ally in managing diabetes. Okra's nutritional profile also includes folate, a B vitamin crucial for cell growth and DNA formation. This makes okra particularly beneficial for pregnant women and those planning to conceive. But the benefits don't stop there. Some studies suggest that okra may have anti-fatigue properties. Researchers found that mice given okra extract could swim longer than those who didn't receive it. While more research is needed, this hints at okra's potential as a natural energy booster. Here's something you might not expect: okra could be good for your brain. Its high antioxidant content, particularly flavonoids, may help protect brain cells from damage and could potentially reduce the risk of cognitive decline. Okra also contains a good amount of beta-carotene, which your body converts to vitamin A. This nutrient is essential for maintaining healthy vision, supporting immune function, and promoting skin health. As we near the end of our journey through okra's nutritional landscape, let's not forget its hydrating properties. Okra is about 90% water, making it a great choice for staying hydrated, especially during hot summer months. The potential of okra extends beyond nutrition. Its high fiber content and low calorie count make it an excellent food for weight management. It can help you feel full and satisfied while providing essential nutrients. To wrap up, let's recap the incredible nutritional profile of okra. It's low in calories, but high in fiber, vitamin C and K, and minerals like manganese. It's rich in antioxidants, may help stabilize blood sugar, and could even boost your energy and brain health. From its unique mucilage to its surprising protein content, okra truly is a marvel of nature. Its diverse nutrient profile makes it beneficial for everything from heart health to digestion, from bone strength to skin vitality. So next time you see okra at the market, remember, you're looking at a nutritional powerhouse. Whether you grill it, fry it, or add it to soups, you're doing your body a favor with every bite. Thank you for joining me on this nutritional journey through the world of okra. Here's to your health and to the incredible power of this humble green pod. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more. Share it with your friends, you never know who might need to see this and how you could help them. Ring the bell so you never miss an update, and drop a comment below with your thoughts. See you in the next one.